Hey traders, today we're gonna blow the lead of an incredible scalping strategy right on TradingView that's nailing a trade after trade. First up, pop open a fresh TradingView chart. Got it? Great. Now hustle over to the time frame and snap it to either 1, 5 or 15 minutes. Your call. Next step, hit the indicators tab and punch in SSL channel. Alright folks, let's get real. When you're using the default settings on this indicator, you're gonna bump into a bunch of false signals. It's like trading to find needle in a haystack, right? But don't sweat it because I've got the fix. We're gonna tweak these settings to dodge those pesky false alarms. So roll up your sleeves and follow me into the indicator settings. Keep your eyes peeled as I walk you through each step to make sure you catch every detail. Let's talk about how we can spot the middle term trend using two SSL channels on your chart. We've got one for short term and another for the long term. Now when the short term SSL sights above the long term SSL, that's our cue for a mid-term uptrend. In this scenario, we're only going to focus on long signals to enter our trades. This way, we filter out short signals that don't match our trend strategy. On the flip side, when the short-term SSL is below the long-term SSL on our chart, that indicates a mid-term downtrend. In this situation, we want to pay attention to the short signals for entering trades. This helps us to go with the flow of the downtrend and filter out long signals that don't align with our current trend strategy. When we're scalping in the market, we want to make sure we're making smart moves. To do that, we need to look at the long-term trend. It's like having a secret tip that tells us if the market's going up or down over time. But before we dive into the long-term trends, I want to give a quick shout out to our channel TradeGenius. Here, we're all about sharing profitable trading strategies that are easy to use and totally free. We're here to help you win in the trading game. If you like what you see and want to keep up with all the smart strategies we share, go ahead and hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. That way, you won't miss out on any of our powerful tips that could really change the game for you. Alright, now you're part of the TradeGenius family. Let's jump back in and check out the second awesome tool that's going to seriously level up your trading. Alright, we're gonna add another SSL channel to our chart for this. This is a tool by Miss Tricky that helps us see the big picture. This channel shows us the long-term trend, so we know if we should be looking for trades that match the trend. To get a handle on long-term trend with SSL channel, we've got to fine-tune its settings. It's like adjusting your TV antenna to get a clear picture. And here's another key move. We pick a higher time frame than what we're currently looking at for our chart. This is like zooming out on a map to see whole road trip route instead of just next turn. Alright, let's talk about how we can make some smart moves with this scalping strategy. First, we need to find a buy signal on the chart. This signal comes from the first SSL channel indicator. When you see it, check the chart to make sure the signal candle is above all the SMA channels. This tells you that you're trading in the same direction as the market trend, which is what you want for a good chance to win the trade. So, if everything looks right, you can open a buy position. But as soon as you enter the trade, you need to set a stop loss. This is important because it helps you manage risk. You can set the stop loss below an SSL channel or just under the lowest point of the market recent hit. For exiting the trade with a profit, you aim for a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. This means for every dollar you risk, you try to make $1.50. Now for a sell trade, it's similar but the other way around. You wait for a sell signal from the SSL channel. Make sure the signal candle is below all the SMA channels, showing a downward trend. Then you can open a sell position. Set your stop loss above the SSL channel or just above the market recently reached. For exiting a trade with profit, you aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Alright, just keep in mind that the market's always changing and we've got to change with it. Keep working on this strategy, stay sharp and be ready to switch things up when you need to. And hey, don't forget to watch our channel for more tips and tricks. We're here to make sure you're winning in trading. So until we meet again, stay on top of your charts and make those smart trades.